So today I'm doing a look at and then unboxing with my daughter with something I purchased for her. I've had these in the past, so we're gonna ask her how she likes them. So these are, hold on. We have to show it to the video people.
They're Tumblers.
Stainless steel, go ahead, you wanna read it?
This stainless steel tumbler straws.
Set of 12. So you
These
are the sizes that you can use them on in the cup sizes, and they're stainless steel, so they last forever. They come with a brush to clean. Hold on one second. Hold on. Let me just show the people in YouTube. So I'll take pictures of this, and it'll all be at the end if you want to look at the box and all the information. But we love these things because it's better than reusing plastic straws that you end up throwing away. So it's much easier for us instead of having to continuously buy new straws. Easy to clean, stainless steel. It comes in a nice little bag. You like the bag? It's a nice bag, right? I don't know if we're gonna keep them in there. But it's a nice white bag. I might use this bag for something else. And this is the way it comes. So you got some straight ones, as you can see, and some curvy ones. There's nothing else in the bag at all. Let's open it up. Where I purchased it on Amazon and everything. All information will be below. It's nice. So how many do we have here? Let's double check the count. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Come to the other side, please. Thank you. So we got 1, 2, 3. Well, let's do a look at each one. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, there's 12 inside. And 2 brushes. So these are the 2 brushes. A close-up look of the brushes. The metal bristle round brushes to get in there when you need to get in the inside.
There's different types of sizes.
Yes, there's different sizes.
Big straight one.
Did they tell you the
straight one?
Does it tell you the size of them?
One.
And that's boom right there, cleaning. So we got 2 of those.
And small curved one.
What are the sizes that they have? So they have, I think these are 10 inches.
The cleaners.
Do we have? I don't have a measuring tape with me, but all the information will be below. Oh, this is what it says in the bag. I didn't even notice this. Sip. And does it tell you the sizes?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I think that's all the sizes right there. Okay, so we have, these are the different sizes, as you can see. So these must be the 8 maybe, and then these are the 10. You know, let's get a measuring tape and double check. I'll be right back. So I finally got the measuring tape, and we're gonna do the short, let's just put the short ones together. No, that's not. I mean the long ones. Can I have all the long ones? All right, so we're going to put all these together. Okay, so 3 of these. Oh, I think it's 3 of each. Okay, so let's do the shortest ones first. So the shortest one, I know the website says it, but you know what? Let's just confirm this size. So I'm gonna put the straws here, and a little over 8 inches. Okay, for the smallest ones. Put those to the side. The cleaning tool, if you're curious, about 10 inches. Okay, the curvy short ones, roughly almost 9. There's 3 of those. And the straight ones are over 10. And these will probably be the same. Yep. About the same. Awesome. So that's a look at. They work great. We use them all the time. We just end up losing them. I don't know why. They just disappear, but they're very low priced. You'll see the prices below. It's very cheap. And it's great. Instead of having to buy reusable, throwing away straws, doesn't, you know, make any sense. It's just a waste of money. So if you have kids, they're using straws or just straws in general for company, these are better to have because you don't need to buy plastic straws and have to throw them away and all that. And it's just, it saves money. You go wash them and then put them away. All right, so I hope you like the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye. Honey, do you want to tell them anything?
Like and subscribe to
They can't hear you. You're too far away. Come over here.
Subscribe, like and subscribe to MTNIZ.
And who else?
And the Gizmos.
Okay. Thank you. Go ahead.
For showing his what the heck is it, and
Do you remember their names? No? How about the dog's name? What's the dog's name? Charlie. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video.